Hi, are you getting spam or undesirable signups to your Calendly events? I do, and it's annoying. People looking for a job or totally unrelated to my events or, trying to pitch me, and that's not the place. So I have a few suggestions, but let's start with this one first, especially if you're a local business. Okay. Let's get started. So the first thing you do is to sign into your Calendly, of course. And once you signed in, make sure that your time zone is set up properly. So go to the top right here and click on all settings. And then scroll down and see what time zone is your account set up to. Mine is Mountain Standard Time, and that's exactly what it is. It should be, since I'm in Calgary, Canada. And save your changes and then go back home and choose the event that you're working on. So I'm gonna choose this one. And once you clicked on it, click on, look at that, I got that message. Well, thank you for that. Click on schedule settings, go down, so see, go down, all the way down, scroll down to time zone display. And when you click on use invitees, then click on lock the time zone. So that locks your time zone, and other people from other continents are not gonna be able to sign up to your event. This is best for local events or local businesses who their events are for local prospects, okay? So this is one way to do it, and as I always say, take action now. 10. Do it now. Hope it helps.